Are you planning a solo travel adventure? Well, one of the most important aspects of a successful trip is packing efficiently. In this video, we will share some essential tips and tricks to help you pack like a pro for your solo journey. Before you start packing, create a detailed packing list. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget any important items. Divide your list into categories such as clothing, toiletries, gadgets, and documents. When it comes to clothing, choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Opt for lightweight and wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Roll or fold your clothes tightly to save space in your suitcase. To save space and comply with TSA regulations, pack travel-sized toiletries. Use small containers or purchase mini versions of your favorite products. Remember to place them in a clear, zip-top bag to make security checks easier. Organize your accessories in pouches or small bags to keep them from tangling or getting lost. Use jewelry organizers, cable organizers, or even resealable bags to keep everything sorted and easily accessible. Packing cubes are a game changer when it comes to efficient packing. These lightweight and compressible organizers help you maximize space in your suitcase and keep your items neatly separated. Consider using color-coded packing cubes for different clothing categories. The debate between rolling and folding clothes is age-old. While rolling clothes saves space and minimizes wrinkles, folding can sometimes be more practical for bulkier items. Experiment with both techniques to find what works best for your specific items. To further optimize space, pack items that serve multiple purposes. For example, a sarong can be used as a beach towel, a scarf, or even a makeshift dress. Look for items that can be versatile and fulfill multiple needs. Don't forget to pack a basic first aid kit with essential medical supplies. Include items like band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription medication that you may need. Always prioritize your health and well-being while traveling. By following these essential tips and tricks, you can pack efficiently and make the most of your solo travel adventure. Remember to keep your packing list handy, choose versatile clothing, and utilize space-saving organizers. Happy travels!